Our daughter is turning 1 in a few days. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. So tomorrow we want to take our pictures and we're going to do it at home. I want to do the decorations today. I'm really tired. We had a very long day, but I want to blow the balloons and set everywhere for the photo shoot tomorrow. The photo shoot is tomorrow. Yes, so I want to set everywhere for, for the pictures. I'm going to also get my nails done today. So let's see what I can do before nightfall. This is number 1 for 1 year old your mama doing. Sweet motion, sweet motion, like waves in the ocean. You're my devotion. Sweet motion, sweet motion, we flow like a Good morning. Good morning. It's the morning of the photo shoot and the kids are still sleeping. What time is it? It's like 7:20, 28. I wanted to get up by 7, but I'm quite tired. I slept past midnight because I stayed up trying to, steam the backdrop for the picture area. So I want to make breakfast this morning so that once they wake up, they eat breakfast, then take a shower and we get into the pictures because I also have to get my makeup done. Makeup takes a little bit of time. I want to be able to beat the time and get things done. So let's make breakfast first. I'm just gonna make steak, eggs, and potatoes. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just get it done. Hi, how are you, baby? I don't know. I can't make steak or use any meat without washing it. I hear a lot of people don't wash even their chicken. Like, I don't know, not to be me. I will wash every protein before I cook it seasoning cubes because they are way too hard. I brought this one from Nigeria, so probably it's dried up, but even in Nigeria it was so hard. I usually just blend the whole thing, but I use this little mortar and pestle to grind this up. So that's what I usually do right now. I hear how hard, but that's it. Is that just a little bit?
Mom, I want hot sauce.
You want hot sauce?
Yeah.
This is, oh, that's a little too close. This is my lighting setup. We're about to start shooting. Here's the birthday girl. I had to remove the backdrop because it doesn't really look nice in the pictures. So I'm leaving the walls and I put some carpet on the floor. Okay, I'm about to bake the birthday cake. Then tomorrow I'm gonna ice it for the birthday. So I'm gonna get something done today. So let's get to work. I just realized that I left most of my baking. My piping nozzles, like the big nozzles. I just have the small.
Mama, what do you want the guitar?
Okay, baby. Do you remember this mixer? Still working. Still working really good. This is a good one. Okay.
What did I give me?
Who gave it to you?
It's somebody that gave me.
Somebody gave it to you.
Yeah.
At when?
And it's Sunday school.
At Sunday school.
Yeah. That's what he gave me. Sunday school.
Baking pans. This makeup is not so perfect, but I'll make do.
Who's gonna sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Yoma. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Let's cut this cake.
Pull it down. Listen, this cake I know say sweet, but please back up. We have problems.
Let me put Mama on the bike. Okay. Let's put you on your trike. Aha! Sit down. Put your legs on the pedals.
Oh boy, that's person not supposed to move. Just to wait there.
Mommy, wow. Mommy,
Okay.
can I enter? Mommy, can I sit on the bicycle?
It's for the baby sister.
No.
Is it like this? Or like this? I don't know. Baba, come out.
This.
Oh, whip. My baby's new whip. My baby's new whip. This is your whip. Oh! You love your whip, baby. You love it. Okay. Let's try towards that. Back up. Aha. Okay.
Night hums low like a secret tune. The breeze is lazy under the moon. Your shadow